In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to pair the transmitter to the receiver on the Wacker Neuson RTD SC4 trench roller. To pair the transmitter to the receiver, we need access to the receiver and the battery disconnect. So next to the fuel tank, you will find the battery disconnect. And on the engine side, you will find the receiver. Pairing the transmitter to the receiver is a two-step process. First, we need to get the receiver in pairing mode, then the transmitter in pairing mode. To get the receiver in pairing mode, using the supplied magnet with the machine, we're going to use this magnet to put the receiver in the pairing mode. Underneath the receiver, we see a little green LED light, so right now the battery disconnect is on. In order to put the receiver in pairing mode, we have to disconnect the battery, turn the battery back on, use a magnet, so it could be the supplied magnet or a pencil magnet from your toolbox, and where that green LED lamp was, under the receiver, we're going to take that magnet, hold it next to the green LED light until we see the flashing orange LED. So now the receiver is searching and looking for a transmitter. With the receiver in pairing mode, I'm going to now put the transmitter in pairing mode. To do this, I'm going to press and hold both buttons momentarily and let go on the transmitter. I'm going to navigate to number 2, pairing. I'm going to pair by pressing the check mark. I'm going to press and hold both buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Now the transmitter has located the receiver. So identified on the display screen is the receiver serial number. I'm going to press OK. Pairing is complete. I'm going to cycle power on the transmitter and the machine. We're going to turn off the transmitter. Disconnect the battery. Power back on. Turn the transmitter back on. And I am paired. I established communication. I'm seeing my signal strength to the receiver from the transmitter, and I am paired to my trench roller.